Hey, what's going on, Boys and Girls Club? Coach Mohar back with another Triple Play Soul activity. I'm coming at you from the Cumming Elementary site of the Boys and Girls Club. So in this enrichment activity, what we are going to be doing is making a cool intro for any movie that you would like to make. This can be used for trailers or for text or anything that you think would fit. So to start off, you should add something such as visual effects. That's what VFX stands for, is visual effects. And the channel I would recommend for this is AAVFX. So just scrolling through, you can see there's a lot of different videos of a lot of different backgrounds, patterns, scenarios. And let's go with this one. So as you can see on this one, the pattern is kind of going backwards, but instead of that, I would like it to go forward. So what we're going to do is once we get it downloaded, we can open it in our software that we use for editing. So today, instead of Camtasia or Windows Movie Maker, I'm going to be using a free editing software called Filmora 9. So all we have to do is find our file that we have downloaded. In this case, it is the video, and we have to import it. So once we have it imported and on our project, all we have to do is click Add to Project. Alright, and now that we have it in our project, all we have to do is reverse the speed. So currently the speed is set at a speed of 1. It is playing at 100% of its normal speed forwards. If you set it to 200%, then it would play at twice as fast. However, you want to get to the opposite of 1 for it to play in reverse. So the opposite of 1, if you go based off of 0, it would be -1 or -1. So all you have to do is right click on the video, go to speed and duration, and click on reverse speed. And there we go. As you can see, it is now playing forwards. Before moving forward, I would like to say that Tsunari VFX is another great visual effects channel. This channel is more about abstract patterns, such as just random patterns. They have a couple of light displays. And then of course they also have a bunch of different heart patterns, so just check them out if you like. So then finally, to go with our visuals, we would like some music as well. So the channel that I recommend is a channel called Premium Music HQ. This is all free as long as you credit them, so be sure to do that in the credits. But just find a song that you would like. I would like, say, this one. And now that you have found music that you like and you have reversed your clips for your visuals, we can now import the visuals and the music both into Camtasia, which I will use to now edit this. Alright, there we go. Now we have our visuals and our music both in the files. We have imported them from our computer into Camtasia, and now all we have to do is add them onto our timeline. And once we have done that, we can see what it looks like played together. Alright, so I noticed that at about 10 seconds, the music sort of changed. So what you do is whenever the music changes, that's when you would like to change the visuals. So I have the opening, and then I have the movie poster, which I'll have as a sort of title screen. So this is what it all looks like together. Alright, that was my tutorial on how to make an opening for your movie, or a trailer, depending on how you want to take this. So I hope to see your openings to your movies soon, as well as potentially some trailers. So go on out there, movie makers, and show me what you got. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.